Winter 2026 will be remembered as the moment everything changed. Not because AI got another shiny feature, because the interface itself started evolving. Peter Steinberger's OpenClaw demos sent a clear signal. One person can now go from raw idea to working product in days. No full team, no long roadmap, no waiting for permission. Let that sink in. For years, AI lived inside apps, chat boxes, sidebars, autocomplete, smart search, etc. Helpful? Yes, but now we're crossing into something bigger. AI that can work across your tools, your workflows, your system, like a digital operator. And no, this is not a small upgrade, this is a category shift. So here's the real question. What happens when one focused builder can prototype, test, and iterate at a speed that used to require an entire team? That's where we are now. In this video, I'll show you what's real, what's overhyped, where the danger zones are, and how to actually use this shift to move faster without blowing up your security or your sanity. Because the people who win this next wave won't be the loudest. They'll be the ones who can turn intent into execution fast, repeatedly, and responsibly. OpenClaw-style workflows let AI operate across your system, coordinating tools, handling multi-step tasks, and removing repeatable execution drag. This is not a feature upgrade, this is an interface shift. And here's the big idea of this video. The winner in this era is not the one who writes the fanciest prompt. It's the one who runs the fastest learning loop. Peter Steinberger's demos hit hard for exactly this reason. They show what happens when one determined builder combines product instinct with agentic tooling. Suddenly, the cycle compresses. Idea in the morning, MVP in days, real user signal this week, and get the go or no-go decision fast. This compression changes who gets to build, what gets tested, and how quickly good ideas survive. For decades, software evolved in years by huge teams. Now we're into the next layer, intent-driven orchestration. This is what I want, then the system coordinates execution. Think of it like this. Old way, pushing the scooter yourself every few meters. New way, setting destination, supervising the drive, and stepping in only when judgment is needed. You still decide, but you stop wasting energy on mechanical repetition. That's the shift. MVPs become decision engines. Most ideas don't fail because engineering is impossible. They fail because the market didn't care. Agentic workflows let you test earlier, onboarding clarity, pricing assumptions, activation loop, real user motivation. Weak signal, pivot fast. Strong signal, build properly. Productivity moves from tasks to systems. This is bigger than write an email. You can offload recurrent execution, weekly reports, CRM updates, routine logistics, research synthesis. Used well, this doesn't just improve business output, it gives back focus for health, family, relationship, and deep work. Enterprises need workflow integration, not AI stickers. Most companies still bolt AI into, but the long-term upside comes from integrating agentic flows into real operations, finance ops, support triage, compliance prep, internal knowledge pipelines, etc. So the shift is not AI in one app. It's AI in the operating system of the company. Now let's be honest, if someone says the world changed overnight, that's hype. But saying nothing has changed is wrong too. What is already true today is workflows are already creating real leverage. Build test cycles are faster than ever. Small teams can execute above their historical weight. But what is not solved yet are security boundaries, which are still evolving, reliability breaks on edge cases, friction is still real for non-technical users. Governance is inconsistent across organizations. Will this improve? Yes, and likely fast. As major platforms and infrastructure providers standardize safer production-grade implementations, trust and usability should rise quickly. You'll hear claims from forks, clones, and alternatives promising Smaller, faster, safer. Treat that as momentum signal, not automatic truth. Verify before production. So yes, this is a transition era. Messy, competitive, fast and experimental. My prediction, by the late 2020s, many people won't rely only on mass-market software templates. They'll run increasingly personalized, intent-driven workflows tailored to how they actually work. Not everyone built full apps in one click tomorrow, but direction is clear. More personalization, more automation of repeatable operations, more human focus on judgment, creativity, and relationships. OpenClaw didn't finish this transition, but it helped prove the door is open. Companies that redesign workflows early instead of just adding AI features will move faster with smaller teams and clearer focus. And no, it doesn't automatically mean mass layoffs everywhere. In many cases, it means shifting people from tedious execution to growth, quality, and innovation. That's the opportunity. If you want to benefit from this shift, don't wait for perfect tools. Run one serious experiment this week. Pick one repeatable workflow, build an OpenClaw-assisted version, measure time saved and error rate, and decide: scale it, redesign it, or kill it. That single loop teaches more than a month of passive watching. If you want, in one of the next videos, I'll break down a full before-after case study with exact workflow map, safety checkpoints, and ROI math. If that's useful, subscribe and comment workflow so I prioritize it. Because this era belongs to people who can turn intent into execution. Fast, responsibly, and repeatedly. Thanks for watching. Bye!